So hello everyone, my name is Vipul. Welcome to my channel. Today in this very first video I am going to tell you about how to install your Anaconda, and I'm also going to start a new series about Python. So there we will learn about functions, tuples, and list, dictionary, and many more. And as well as after that I will take like more lectures on class as well. So because class is a web server, so where you can put your model and show to anyone via website. Okay, so that we will see. So first of all, the Anaconda, how to install. So you can just search Anaconda. Okay, Anaconda download. So then it will redirect you to in this page. So then you can click on this link, and then there you will see, yes, please download button. So if you will click on it, this download button, so it is downloading in your system, but I have already downloaded or installed, so you can download and install in your system. So you need not to do anything very much. So you have to just click on next and next, and it will be installed in your system. Then you are able to do coding. So when you will be installed, so then you can just go at the end. So then you can go to this button, start button, and just click on it, and then you will see here in this interface the Anaconda form. In this Anaconda form you can write here Jupyter and Jupyter notebook. It is a short key to run or to start your app. Okay, so yeah, here your app is started. So here you can see localhost it one. So in that you can just go to your desktop or anywhere you can do your program. Okay, so this is it for today. I will be going to tell you about basics in our next video. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, so please hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. Thank you.